Okay, I'd just like to start this video off by wishing somebody special a happy birthday. Tomorrow is Jimmy Kane's, my father-in-law. It's his birthday, Pam's father. So I'd just like to say happy birthday, Jimmy.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Clairmont in the snow. We're en route right now, obviously, heading down the 101 highway, heading to Morton because we're going to do it backwards today, starting from the top and go down. And as usual, we're running late. We'll see you at the trailhead. That's good. Alright, so we're underway, heading down the trail. There's a fair amount of snow up here. Should be a good time. We just was talking with a bunch of guys on side-by-sides. They said it wasn't too bad. They came up it. They said it wasn't too bad. Said it was icy underneath the snow, so. But we're going down anyway. A few rigs in front of us too, so I don't think we'll have any issues. Due to the ring and pinion, I'm just gonna kind of go easy with it. Might even put it in two-wheel drive and see how that goes for the bulk of it. You never know when that's just going to decide, hey, I'm going to eat all the rest of my crackhead teeth off. Yeah, we're doing it in two-wheel drive. Yeah! Friggin' beast this thing is. We just hit some mud.
Mike did say when he came over, someone in the snow. And I was like, what? And I was like, oh, because what's his name was behind us, and Dave's like, who's behind us?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Said what? What about
I asked if someone ate some snow.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
He's like, "Arr!" And then I back right up to him and let him have it.
Yeah. Yeah, I've never been up this far, like we came in that way, because the last time I was up the trail with you, we came up and then
To
turned
about up
around
here, yeah.
and then came back down, so I've never been up here.
The time before we went, you were with us, but we broke. Went home.
Oh yeah, yeah. I meant before that then.
fun being able to play with the throttle too. In 4-wheel drive, I'm a little timid because if something lets go, then we're getting towed. Probably not for the most part going down this hill, but anything uphill I'd have to get towed probably, unless everyone get out of the way and then I just center. That'd be crazy. Hill. Yep. I'd just like to take this opportunity to make a shout out to all the subscribers, and a special shout out to the subscribers that are fairly active on the channel. I'm talking about Hippie Miller, Never Enough, Brenton. I'd like to say hi to him too. He's looking for some snow wheeling. Well, here it is. I hope you like it. Cowboy, Matt, Johnny. Who else we got? If I forgot your name, sorry. But I really appreciate you guys that come in and leave comments, because I really enjoy talking to you guys and hearing your opinions and interacting with you. It's part of the content creator experience, and I really enjoy it. So, did you want to have some seat time? Sure. Yeah? Alright, whenever. Yep, you're good. Nice and easy. There you go. Give her a second. Yep. I don't think your door's shut. There you go. Up here to stop. I'll get you to slow up. We'll throw the drone up in the sky and get some footage.
Am I gonna slow it?
Nope. Okay. And you can let right off the gas too, right? Okay. And then you just shove your clutch too if you get slowed down. If you need to stop, you can take off in second, no problem in low range. Just letting the wife get a little seat time in this thing. She doesn't get to drive it very often, but she really enjoys it. But I don't let her too often because I'm selfish and I like driving it more. Yeah. Trail like this is not too crazy, so she can definitely handle this. She's a good driver, she's just not used to the horsepower of this thing and going over obstacles, but she will be. Give it just a little bit, like pick the idle up a little bit. When you go to take off in low range, it'll just crawl away from it. Okay. If you're on flat ground in first, it'll probably take off without giving it gas. That way it's better, right?
She gone.
Okay, hang on, hang on. All right, everyone, that was a good trip. It was kind of quick and painless. Nobody really got stuck. Nobody got broke, other than one person's exhaust pipe falling off. But the pig did good, and Pam was driving it. She never had any issues with the ring and pinion. Yeah, we did crash the drone, as you can see in the footage, and it did crack an arm on it. I thought it was all right at first, but it did crack an arm on it, so I'll have to send that back to DJI, get that fixed. But other than that, everything went really good. No issues. Mike, your dog doesn't look happy.
That's because you're at the Jeep without me.
All right, so sign off here. Like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you in the next video.